Alright, everybody, I'm searching for monsters in your closet. I have my monster marshmallow gun. It's just marshmallow. And I'm looking. Did everybody hear that? I think we have a monster in this closet. I'll set you on top of my gun. Set you on top of my gun. Hopefully you'll stay. No, you won't. 1 second. Make sure everybody is secure. Be fastened. Before we go. See the monster. Okay. Everybody is securely fastened. We must.
If you call someone a monster, then you gotta call someone who can dance to the monster. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
We have some monster issues, apparently.
Boom, boom.
Maybe it's having a seizure.
Boom, boom, boom.
Maybe, oh no, it's
Shopping cart.
coming towards us.
Ew, high sodium. Start the lawnmower. The lawnmower.
This is scary. I've never been this close to a monster before.
Tango.